Good morning, guys. It's 820. What's up, you guys? It's Goduxfo, and what you guys been up to? So right now, you guys, I am just dropped Rachel off at work. Not feeling 100% today, you guys. So I'm just heading home. Hopefully, I feel much better. You guys can tell in my voice that I'm not feeling 100%. So I'm just talking to you guys when I am done. When I get home. So right now, you guys, I'm cooking up some supper, you guys. Yes, I'm cooking up some supper. So it's going to be fun and exciting what I'm going to make. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm making some supper. So that's what I'm doing. So I made a new recipe again, you guys. I added pasta, corn, ground pork, and then salsa. And then I'm going to try adding hot dogs to this because it's going to be so good, you guys. It might be good, might not. Who knows? This recipe was on top of my head, you guys. Yes, this recipe on top of my head. There's a finished touch. I'm gonna end today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give me a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.